That'll help out the shy ones. He almost saw me do that. Watch. Come on. You seen that? Come on. Come on back. Where you going? I knew one of them saw it. The little boy. Carolyn Red. Male in the background. Squirrelhood's birthday today, 420. 1 year, 525,000 plus viewers in 1 year. Appreciate all you guys. Wanted to let you know that. It's been a fun ride. I hope you guys have had fun. Keep it up. Like it, share it, comment, and subscribe if you have not. We do this a lot. Squirrelhood's changing every day. It's different. There's everything here you could imagine. Bears, foxes, raccoons, possums. Everything's in color at night. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride.